I watched a movie last night.
I watch movies every weekend.
I will watch a movie tomorrow.
She cooked dinner yesterday.
She cooks dinner every night.
She will cook dinner later.
They played soccer last Saturday.
They play soccer after school.
They will play soccer next weekend.
He visited his grandma last week.
He visits his grandma on Sundays.
He will visit his grandma next Sunday.
We walked to school yesterday.
We walk to school every day.
We will walk to school tomorrow.
I read a great book last month.
I read a lot of books.
I will read a new book next week.
She cleaned her room last night.
She cleans her room on weekends.
She will clean her room later.
He drove to work yesterday.
He drives to work every day.
He will drive to work tomorrow.
They ate lunch at 1 p.m.
They eat lunch at noon.
They will eat lunch soon.
I slept early last night.
I sleep at 10 p.m.
I will sleep earlier tonight.
She sang a song yesterday.
She sings beautifully.
She will sing at the party.
We studied English last night.
We study English every day.
We will study English tomorrow.
He wrote a letter last week.
He writes letters to his friends.
He will write a letter soon.
I went to the park yesterday.
I go to the park often.
I will go to the park this weekend.
They bought a new car last month.
They buy groceries every week.
They will buy a new phone soon.
She took a photo of the sunset.
She takes photos every day.
She will take more photos tonight.
I made a cake yesterday.
I make breakfast every morning.
I will make dinner later.
We had a good time at the party.
We have fun at school.
We will have a picnic tomorrow.
He drank coffee this morning.
He drinks coffee every day.
He will drink coffee later.
They saw a movie yesterday.
They see movies every weekend.
They will see a new movie next week.
I met her last year.
I meet new people often.
I will meet her again soon.
She spoke at the meeting.
She speaks clearly.
She will speak tomorrow.
We ran in the race last weekend.
We run every morning.
We will run in a marathon.
He lost his keys yesterday.
He loses things often.
He will lose them again if he's not careful.
I helped my friend move.
I help my classmates.
I will help you tomorrow.
She learned a new word.
She learns quickly.
She will learn something new.
We watched the sunrise.
We watch the sunset every day.
We will watch the stars tonight.
They opened a new shop.
They open the store at 9 a.m.
They will open a new branch next month.
I said hello to her.
I say hello every morning.
I will say hello when I see her.
He gave her a gift.
He gives gifts on birthdays.
He will give her flowers.